These spring rolls are amazing. There's Wolfie waiting for a sausage. Yummy. I got it right. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Chasing the Sun, where we do everything RV and van life, full-time living. And today we are in Danville, Illinois. Me and Wolfie were sitting down at my friend's house for a couple of days. Jim Reisinger, my best friend in the world. And today on the episode, I just wanted you to see Wolfie. She's in a couple of bits and pieces of the episode. Just doing a cooking video, cooking and eating, and just thought it would be kind of interesting to see, for you guys to see what we kind of eat and cook on a daily basis. We go to get some Kroger sushi, which not as bad as you think. And yeah, I cook one of my favorite snacks, and Wolfie sees several different friends on our journeys. I got a question the other day about from Instagram, and by the way, it's a really good way to get a hold of me. Is on Instagram through the messaging there. Somebody said, does Wolfie ever meet any friends? Well, you're going to find that out in this episode. She actually has lots of friends, and not just human ones. She met a couple of new friends this time, and an old friend, her oldest friend in the world. But anyway, so yeah, we're doing great. Back's doing so much better. I don't want to say I'm back to normal, but I'm almost back to normal. In the gym again, lifting some weights, losing some weight gratefully, getting ready for the next chapter. Got a couple of estimates on a couple things that I'm going to be showing in the next couple of episodes. Couple. If I say that a couple more times, I'll have said it a couple of times. Got some more work doing on the Betty Lou. I really am doing my best to get her ready to be sold. And if there's anything wrong with her, I know it. I'm going to fix it before I sell her. So look for that in upcoming episodes. And more travel as always. So that's it. If this is your first episode where you found me and Wolfie about RV life or van living full time, hit the subscribe button. Follow along with us. We go all over the country. We show you guys how to live safely and inexpensively and do this full time. Or even if you just are interested in thinking about it, let me tell you, the life that I have chosen is an amazing life, and it's a gift. And I don't think I'll ever not live in an RV or a van. And don't want to give too much of it away, but one of my other best friends found another vehicle for me. I'm going to leave it at that. I don't want to jinx it. I'm looking at that now and kind of excited about what's coming up for me and, of course, for Wolfie. All right, that's it. Again, hit the subscribe button, guys, and smash the notification so you all know when we're having videos, okay? If there's something I haven't covered in RV and van life and you guys want me to, my email is always below. That's the best way to get a hold of me, except for Instagram. You can find me on Facebook, although I'm close to 5,000, accepting 5,000 friends there. Got to figure out a way to flip that over to a public page. If anybody knows how to do that, please let me know. I don't really know how to do that. I'm a little bit afraid of it. I'm afraid I'm going to screw something up. Yeah, so find us in social media, all the regular places, guys. And I have a Twitter, but I don't really understand why anyone would tweet. But, so, all right, that's it. All right, guys. Remember, you got to get up every single day for the rest of your life and do one thing that gets you closer to your dreams. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Love you, Wolf. I love you. Hey guys, you ever wondered what Kroger sushi tastes like? Here we go. Kroger sushi. I'm starving to death. Haven't eaten today. Had to get some blood work done, and so I thought I would try this real quick. I also thought it'd be cool for a video. It's the Duo Combo Rainbow and Crunchy California Roll. 470 calories, $8.99. If you watched the episode 2 episodes ago, I had real sushi. It's really, really expensive, but it was pretty good. I was in Danville, Kentucky. And of course, 40% less sodium. Let's see if we can get her on there. Smells good. And of course, I always take extras of these. I know I'm not supposed to, but all right. Looks good, smells good. Hope it tastes good. Cheers. It's pretty good. I don't know if it's $9 good, but one thing that bugs me right away, let's see if I can do this without breaking it apart. See that it's got the, oh, shoot, I'm gonna use my finger, sorry guys. It's got the fake crab. It's okay. Avocado. Pretty good. I'll try this crunchy roll. If you can see that, see if I can. It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. You see that? Left-handed even. Crunchy California roll is better, but anyway, I just thought it would be neat. I go by there all of the time, and I always like, yeah, I wonder if it's any good. And $9 is really a lot for me. I never ever spend that kind of money, but I thought it would, like I said, it'd be good YouTube, and you guys know, if you got $9 extra, absolutely. But for $9, I can make, 5 meals. But anyway, yeah, this is pretty good. It's a rainy Saturday. Me and Wolfie are napping, and what a beautiful way to spend a rainy Saturday in RV life. This is amazing. And I know you can do this in a house, but we chose to do this in an RV, and just couldn't be happier with the way that our Saturday is going. Loving RV life today. Rounding up some veggie sausage. Still in the park, Charlestown State Park. We're gonna mix this with some hummus and show you guys my favorite snack. It's good protein, a little bit of fat, and a little bit of junk food. Look at my mess. Look at my mess. Been running around like a chicken with my head cut off. But the rest of the rig's in pretty good shape. There's Wolfie waiting for a sausage. Alright, I'll show you what this looks like when I'm eating it. Alright. That's finished. And what I do is, that's hummus. It's hard to do one-handed. That's what she said. So there's that. yummy. And then I'll get set up and do a taste test with you. And that's the corn chips. That's it. Let's see. It's sweet chili garlic hummus, veggie sausage, and corn chips. Cups, the dipper kind. All right. See that? Sweet chili garlic hummus and the veggie ground sausage. Two thumbs up. Two thumbs up. One of my favorite snacks. This sweet chili garlic hummus, non-GMO verified. It's the best hummus, man. I love hummus, and as I'm making my way back to the vegan train, so somebody asked me why I stopped being vegan for a minute, and the quick answer is that the doctor that I was seeing for my back said I needed some animal protein, lots and lots of that to heal my back. So I did that for a minute, and now I'm gradually making my way back to veganism. And my back feels so much better, guys. I can't even hardly take it. It's so much better. That is amazing. 2 thumbs up.